Another reform is the trade policy. Trade policy has been another area of reform. The government has introduced a new trade policy in 2009, replacing the trade policy introduced in 1992. The new policy has been brought into implementation after Nepal became a member of WTO. It is consistent with the principles of WTO and adheres to the principles of liberal, open and transparent economic system. It puts much emphasis on private sector-led competitive economy. The main objective of this policy is to increase contribution of trade sector in national economy and thereby reduce poverty and accelerate economic growth. The policy also recognizes trade in services and intellectual property. The policy covers institutional strengthening through legal and procedural reforms in order to create conducive environment for trade both internally and externally. The policy has broadly classified potential Nepalese exports into two categories, especially focus area and the thrust area development. 4 products are included under the special focus area, most of which have already been established in the export market. 15 other products have been listed under the second category. Nepal's tariff regime is consistent with international trade segments, including the WTO. The simple tariff average is 12.1%. The tariff structure has been streamlined over the year, and now the highest level of tariff has been reduced from 130 to 80%, applicable mostly for vehicles. Almost 80% tariff lines are concentrated in 5% to 10% and 15% duty slab. Major reforms in the tariff regime, including the reduction in tariff slabs and rates, abolition of different non-tariff taxes. Application of ESS codes, harmonized code system for customs tariff, use of the WTO custom valuation agreement. In addition, the government has been focusing on trade facilitation measures. The Department of Customs has initiated a reform program on automation and is planning to provide web-based clearance system. As part of this web-based clearance system, like system of Asikuda, as part of this, government is moving towards a single window at the national level in order to boost export products processes towards establishing special economic zone SEZ in and around major business hubs of the country have been initiated.